Hey guys! Welcome to the Pi for All channel. My name is Nicholas, and in this video, I'm going to present the channel's new project, which is how to create a system to automate SAP. Here is the main screen of the system with a navigation menu. In this video, I will show the system making the registration of a supplier reading data from Excel, then we will search for the data, and finally we will make the change and close the system. To show how it works, we will automatically log in to SAP by clicking the Login button. Now let's read the data from an Excel spreadsheet and launch it in SAP. Clicking on the Register button, the system will read the data from the spreadsheet and register all customers in the SAP system. By clicking on the Search button, we search for the suppliers that we have just registered in the SAP system. We can also change the data in the table and click on the Change button, which Python will change directly in SAP. To close the system, just click on the Close SAP button. If you want to learn how to build this app, subscribe to the channel and activate the bell so you don't miss the next videos. Thank you for watching.